So this is how you're going to remove the radio from the Hyundai i30. First you're going to open the top pocket, undo the Phillips head screws. There's two, as you can see there at the back, and there's also two directly down from the front edge. So you might need you shouldn't need a shorter screwdriver, but you should be right. And there we have it. There's the two screws. There's one on each side, and then this top pocket comes out. Sorry about the camera work there. Look at that, camera's drunk. It's all good. So now with those screws all removed, take your time removing that top pocket. Closing that lid helps. There's one screw at the back. Use your Phillips head screwdriver and remove that one. Once you've got that screw removed, just gently pull on the fascia and eventually it will come off. And there you have it. The whole thing comes out in one piece. Disconnect the heating controls as you need them disconnected. And then there's some Phillips head screws to hold the radio in itself. Undo those and you're done.